Hey guys, so how's it going? It's been quite a while since I recorded anything or made any type of YouTube videos, and that's only because I'm quite busy lately. Well, and you know what? If I go like this, you guys will notice that my view has changed a little bit recently. I mean, from all the other videos, it's a little bit different, and that's only because me and my beautiful wife, we upgraded. We bought a bigger house. We got 4 kids, so we needed a bigger house. It's a 5-bedroom house now versus a 3-bedroom house, and that's basically what's been taking my time away from doing any type of YouTube videos or working on the truck and stuff. But yeah, here's the truck. As you guys can see, it's pretty frozen. So basically, just to, this video is basically just a quick update what's going on. Oh yeah, as you can see, they're building a new house over there too, so it's a new neighborhood that's going up. But yeah, basically what's going on is just that I would give you guys a quick update and say that, you know what, as soon as spring shows up and it's not so freezing cold and I can actually clear out my garage from all the moving and all the stuff that got sort of piled in when you move and other things that get put into it. So there's a lot of cleanup going on. But yeah, as soon as that happens, we're gonna get back to the 7.3 here right behind me. There's a lot of stuff I want to do to it, bumper. There's a couple things I gotta fix paint wise and whatnot. Gonna put new tires on it, new rims on it. We're gonna do new injectors. There's a lot content coming up. So yeah, you guys stay tuned and hang out. The people that haven't, if you're new to this channel, subscribe and click the thumbs up if you already subscribed. I really would appreciate it. But yeah, for today, quick video, and you know what, I gotta go somewhere, so let's do a cold start. All right, let me figure out where to set you guys, and then let's do a cold start, okay? Because it is cold. I think it's like -12 wind chill and like 0 right now today, so let's see how she does. All right, hang on, let me get my little tripod here all set up for you guys. Yeah, I think that should be good enough. You guys are well settled. Alright, that didn't sound so good, huh? It's cold, and you know what? I haven't driven her for much, so let's give her cycled the glow plugs twice, but I guess that's not enough. They're new glow plugs, I know that, but hey, what else is new? It's an old truck, right? Don't expect much. So anyways, we'll see how she does again. That's one. start 2. It is cold. Alright, let's go try again. She don't like it, but she's running. Obviously don't like it. No check engine or anything like that. Smoking as hell. But she's running. Always starts. Never a problem. Oh, look at all that smoke. Yep, look at all that smoke. That is crazy smoke coming up. But anyways, guys, so that's the video for today. Real quick, real update. Just, you know, I know a couple people are coming in and new subscribers are happening and stuff like that, and you know, you're probably wondering why I only got so many videos, and that's it. But yeah, you know what, more content's coming, and like I said, subscribe if you want to be notified about them. You know, check out those thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and you know what, I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.